right, guys, that's what I did. Touched up the poly. And this room is dry, as you can see. This is the espresso. Looks good. We're gonna finish it up through here, finish bringing that, and then do this room right here. So this would be 3 coats of polyurethane with the tint. We did decide to go darker to help it blend better, but yeah, it looks good. All right. And this is the satin finish, so. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Beautiful. All right, guys, we were applying some stain and poly. We were finishing up. We came back to touch up some things to make it darker, and that's what we're doing now. It is looking great. And yeah, it responded pretty good, you can see. This is the espresso tint.
I'll have to work it this way, right?
Yep, correct, yep.
Take this on the corner wall.
Deal. All right, guys, I did come back and correct this. Everything looks wonderful. As you can see, the client is extremely happy and signed and delivered. Thanks for watching.